Have you realized that most beauty gift guides are made for 25-year-olds? And that's the problem. Hi everyone, I'm Linda Brand. I'm an MD with mature skin, as you can see, and today I'm showing you the Christmas beauty gifts that I truly recommend. And yes, these are products I'd happily gift to my best friend or keep for myself. The first thing I'm going to show you today is this from Estée Lauder. It's a Blockbuster package from them. It has 9 full-size favorites, including the #1 best-selling face serum, eye gel cream, and so much more. This 2025 Blockbuster set is yours for only $90 only, but it's a good value because the value is $652. And this is what I've been using for my face today. That's what I have on. And it also comes along with this beautiful, beautiful bag, this one. And it has a huge area here. So you can get plenty inside it. And it's my favorite. It's my definitely favorite makeup bag or skincare bag, whatever you want to use it for. It's really good quality. So let's get started. I will introduce you to the products, and we're starting with the skincare products. Now, this is the Advanced Night Cleansing Gel Cleanser with 15 amino acids. It's 2.5 ounces or 75 milliliters. It's a deluxe travel size. Benefits of this one. It's deeply and gently cleanses with a fluffy, soft foam. It's a pleasant smell to it, not too much. And this is for all skin types. It's ideal as a gentle face cleanser. It's a fresh foaming formula, includes 15 amino acids. And here is the ingredients list. And I have marked the ingredients I believe is great for mature skin, so you can see them. Now over to the most famous skincare products from Estée Lauder, in my opinion. It's the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's a synchronized multi-recovery complex. It's 1 fluid ounces or 30 milliliters, and this is a full size, you guys. Estée Lauder's #1 serum helps skin look smoother and less lined, younger and healthier, more radiant and even toned. Benefits is that you will wake up radiant, visibly reduce signs of aging. And this serum is for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And it's really ideal if you have multiple signs of aging, visible age prevention with antioxidant protection. You have loss of firmness, tone, lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, or if you are struggling with dullness, dehydration, and it also includes hyaluronic acid. And here's the ingredients list, and I marked the ingredients I believe is great for mature skin. And if you have any questions about any of them, just comment below and we will take that and I will try to answer you, or we will do it in the next video. It's often called the little brown bottle, and the serum is for all ages, all skin tones, all skin types. And Estée Lauder actually has it patented until 2033. And now over to some eye cream. So this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream, Synchronized Multi-Recovery. So this one. So this is 0.5 ounces or 15 milliliters, and this is actually also a full size. Estée Lauder says this is their best eye cream for dark circles, lines, and more. It's for all skin types. It's ideal for dark circles, lines, and multiple initial signs of eye aging. Visible age prevention with double action to fight visible effects of free radical damage. Ideal also for dryness, dehydration. It's a lightweight, silky gel cream texture, and again, their best eye cream. And again, here's the ingredients list, and I have marked the ingredients I believe is great for mature skin. And feel free to comment below, ask questions if you like to. Then we have the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream. This is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and this is also full size. It's a rich cream. So let me do the benefits. It's a rich multi-action cream, firming, lifting, and gives radiance. It can be used by all skin types. It's ideal for multiple signs of aging. It has a lifting effect for loss of firmness and tone, lines and wrinkles, dullness, loss of radiance. It combats dryness and dehydration. And This is actually also refillable. I must say that if you are struggling with really dry skin, this is really good. It's so rich, but still it penetrates into the skin real easily. So this is highly recommended actually. And as usual, here is the ingredients list, and I have marked the ingredients I believe is great for mature skin. And in the package you also have this extremely nice hand cream. It's a Re-Nutritive Intensive Smoothing Hand Cream, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, so this is considered a deluxe travel size. It gives comfort and soothes the skin of your hands with this sumptuous cream treatment. It's formulated with precious hydrators. It deeply nourishes and replenishes dry skin. Hands will look younger, smoother, and more subtle. The perfect indulgence for a life of extraordinary beauty. Also used, but not in the beauty gift set, is the Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation, 1 ounce, 30 milliliter, full size. This one. This is actually one of my favorites, but not all the way to the top. See my video where I'm ranking foundations for mature skin. It's coming soon to my channel. So what are the benefits of the Double Wear Foundation? It has 24-hour wear, flawless natural matte foundation. It's what I'm having on today. It's a medium to full coverage, and it is buildable. It gives a matte finish, and it's a waterproof foundation. And then we have the beautiful limited edition glow eyeshadow palette, full size, 0.31 ounces or 8.9 grams. And this palette is perfect for creating subtle or smoky looks with universally flattering shades. And I've used it today. It includes 7. So if you are going from left to right, we have Secret Surprise, Wild Anticipation, Joyful Mayhem, Holiday Glee, Pretty Rampart, Good Cheer, and Merry and Bright. Then we have limited edition lipsticks. They are both in full size, 12 ounces, 3.5 gram each. It's super creamy, sensually soft and smooth. We have Rosy Ribbon, looks like this, and we have Velvet Ribbon, looks like this. That's the one I'm wearing today. Then we have the limited edition lip gloss, 0.09 ounces or 2.7 milliliters. It's brilliant glossy gleam, lightweight, hydrating texture. And this is in shade Unwrapped, and it's limited edition. And we have the mascara, and it is the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volumizing Mascara in Extreme Black. And this is a full size also, 0.27 ounces or 8 milliliters. It gives a lot of volume, maybe not that much length. It makes the eyes look brighter, wider, more seductive. I agree. Easy to use. And then you have the limited edition multi-use blush stick. It's a full size also, 0.23 ounces or 6.5 grams. And the shade is Dusty Rose. And this is what I have on as a blush today. It's easy to apply and to blend out. So that was all from Estée Lauder's Blockbuster for 2025. And it's beautiful. And again, comes with this beautiful makeup bag. With plenty of room actually. Take a look inside. It's plenty of room. I love this one. So that was the first gift that I would recommend. And that's also what I have on my face today.